The Ramos Gin Fizz, a classic cocktail originating out of New Orleans from the mind of Charles Henry Ramos, who begins with the juice of both a lemon and a lime. As he severs each in half, he contemplates. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And when life gives you limes, you make limeade. And when you have both along with cream and biceps, you make the Ramos Gin Fizz. Nonetheless, he squeezes half an ounce of the lifeblood from each citrus into the glass. As he reaches for the simple syrup, the very food of his immortal enemy, 3/4 of an ounce is all that's required for this adult beverage. Afterwards, he reaches for the cream of large stature, an odd ingredient on parchment, and even though it curdles upon instant contact with the citrus, fear not. An egg white from this non-pasteurized egg embryo will serve as an emulsifier. As he wades it back and forth, he almost cracks the very yolk he seeks to reject. This yolk goes to the black guardian, and the egg white into the cup. He then reaches for a floralesque gin, in this case, Beefeater. Oh no. His antics come with a price. Using chopsticks, he feverishly attempts to remove the cap, and eventually succeeds. However, not before the cap is rather slimy. 2 ounces of this juniper liqueur into the cup. He then semi-carefully caps the glass with the metal cup, and dry shakes the cocktail for 30 seconds. This is where his dedication to the shake weight finally shines. Next, he adds a piece of good quality clear ice.
That was a bit unexpected.
He goes it again, a gentle smack, and begins to shake. He will shake until the ice cube is no more, or until the bovines return home for sundown. The required effort to dissolve the ice cube is one of legends. The tale of 30+ bartenders freezing their hands in quick succession was unprecedented.
I am legitimately sweating.
Once the ice has dissolved, he sets it down, and as per usual, struggles to disconnect the glass from the tip. But before continuing, he cleans, because ounce. Once complete, he pours the cocktail out into a highball glass. This milky white cocktail pours smoothly. At the top will sit the beautiful white foam, the result of the egg white. He uncaps high-quality club soda and pours it directly in the middle of the cocktail. The effervescence of the soda elevates the foam beyond the lip of the glass for a grand presentation. Afterwards, he uses orange blossom water, what many describe as drinkable perfume, and with the aid of a glass eyedropper, he uses 3 to 4 or 8 drops of orange with water, and because he cares about the environment, a bamboo straw, straight down the center. And that's how you make a Ramos Gin Fizz. If you like this video, make sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Boop! Until next time, eat well and drink responsibly.